So, I am trying to diagnose a rattling sound that I hear after my Durango's been running and driven for probably 10-15 minutes, maybe a little bit longer is when you'll notice it. In park, in idle, sometimes slowing down, you'll hear it a little bit. But just to kind of document, just got in, haven't started it yet, but I'll show you once it's started. Here, let me just, when it starts, you don't hear it, you don't hear a rattle. And even letting it run for 10 minutes and coming out before you drive it, you don't hear a rattle. So let me back it up just real quick and I'll show you what I mean. Ooh, it is sunny. Not mad about that, but I just backed it up. Nothing abnormal with the way that it's running. I mean, so far the sound to me seems pretty normal, nothing too crazy, maybe a slight little tick, but nothing too crazy. But I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit, take the kids to school. When I get back, I will show you what it sounds like then. Okay, pulling back up from taking the kid to school. I've been driving it for about 20 minutes. I will show you the sound. This is the driver's side. It's like a slight rattling. It's a little bit louder over here on the passenger side. We haven't dove into the issue yet.